Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on the questions actually. If the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? And how the universe was created from nothing. Okay, the short answer to the questions are nothing always existed as a vacuum fluctuation. So it is not it hasn't been created because it always existed as vacuum fluctuations or quantum fluctuations, and the universe was created from those vacuum fluctuations. Okay, so that is the short answer to those questions, and in detail, E minus G equals to 0, or energy minus gravity equals to 0, or total energy in the universe minus total gravity equals to 0. That is to say, zero energy universe. In this kind of universe, matter could be created from those quantum fluctuations. That is to say, from nothing. In the following way: virtual particles are being created from quantum fluctuation in this empty space all the time. If these pairs do not mutually annihilate right away, they could be detected as real particles. Okay? Then the matter could be created from these real particles. And in this way, the universe was created from nothing. That is to say, from quantum fluctuations. Okay, thank you very much.